Odisha reminds one of long coastlines, of beautiful ancient temples, and Rasgulla, of course. But surprisingly, Odia cuisine has been behind the spotlight. In today's episode, I am going to explore some of that Odia cuisine. So, let's go. And guiding me through this extravagant food journey is home chef Himani, who is originally from Odisha and now settled in Mumbai. Right from sharing cultural anecdotes to serving the most amazing food, Himani has opened me up to a whole new world of Odia cuisine. हिमानी
हाँ,
ये
बोल।
प्रॉन्स के साथ हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
ये प्रॉन्स के साथ what you going to make today is something very interesting, which is called चिंगुड़ी छेचा. चिंगुड़ी छेचा.
प्रॉन्स हमने अभी खरीदे with our amazing and non-existent bargaining skills.
Yes.
Are beautifully marinated and they're into the kadai to be fried. And the fragrance I can already, it's everything is just coming together. Can I quickly check what's in this?
Please, yeah.
The
It's called Mati Handi Mangso.
Mati Handi Manso.
हाथ दिखाओ. थोड़ा मुझे कोई बताओ कि इस पे नमक बराबर है कि नहीं. हाथ दिखाओ. ठीक है.
तुम्हारी शॉपिंग हो गई, कुकिंग हो गई. Now comes my favorite part, the feast. I think this is the pakharo bhato which we were talking about. So you have to tell me what do I have to do.
हाथ डालिए आप.
Okay. Just mix everything.
पूरा अच्छे से. And as Odisha is a land of farm, pokhara is our speciality. एक गरीब भी खा सकता है, एक रिच भी खा सकता है.
So everything together.
Yes.
So now I have to squeeze the water out. Immediately आपने बोला कि आपने कल फर्मेंट किया था. So simple. The salt, the dahi, the rice, all coming together. Yeah, now
आप
what
इसके
do I
साथ
do?
खाओगे बॉडी चूरा, which
Okay.
is in English I would say दाल dumplings बोलते हैं इसको. And we fry it and then after frying उसको हम कूटते हैं.
I'll try the body first. After this clean flavor, you immediately have a mouthful of flavors in the bodi chura. The
The चिंगुड़ी छेचा.
chingudi checha,
Yes.
which we had, but I'm going to have it again. So rich. The prawns are fresh. The chilies, adds that little zing. And the onions, दोनों में जो bite आता है ना onion का, very different flavors, but so good. ये एक bite, फिर ये लाजवाब. This is the Mati Handi
मांगसा तरकारी.
Mangso Tarkari.
Yes. It's been marinated since last night because we need to cook it in handi. It's not pressure
Correct.
cooked. So marination is very important in this.
Absolutely.
So that the mutton takes really all the flavor of what we marinated and then we start cooking it in the handi.
Color looks fabulous. Oh, it's so soft. Like I just took a piece and wow, just look at it. All the masalas. मेरे face ने सब बोल दिया. The mutton is soaked in all the masalas, the juices. It's so soft and well cooked. Really, really, really good, guys. And now I think the alma.
दाल को रोस्ट करके उसमें हम ऑल वेजिटेबल्स डालते हैं, स्क्रेप नारियल डालते हैं. वी डोंट यूज़ एनी मसाला अपार्ट फ्रॉम हल्दी एंड नमक.
Very different from the dal that we eat, or the dals. There's the dal tadka,
Absolutely,
or the varan that we've had. Wow, very nice. So Himani, you want to tell me a bit more about what I have in front of me?
So this is ghion, no?
Ghion, no?
This is tomato poda. This is laurai.
Lau rai.
This is bhaja mugo dali.
Yes.
And I want you to guess this. What is this?
पता लगाना पड़ेगा. पता नहीं. Shredded capsicum.
No. Wrong guess.
Wrong?
Yeah. बचपन से माँ को देखा है, उसने कभी दूधी का छिलका वेस्ट नहीं किया है. उसके छिलके का हम एक फ्राई बनाते हैं. And
Okay.
this is वही दूधी के छिलके का
Oh.
फ्राई.
But what an idea! Just the chilka, you made it into a sabzi in itself.
Yeah.
घी ओन्नो के साथ शुरू करूँगा. Ghee just makes it nice and smooth. There's a little bit of taste of the lemon. It's so nice. I'm gonna take this. It's so nice. Who could have ever thought दूधी का छिलका will taste so good? थोड़ा दाल लेने वाला हूँ. So different from the dalma. There is the garlic, which the dalma didn't have. Slightly sweeter, पर ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. I'm gonna take this.
Yes. हम टमाटर के साथ गार्लिक भी थोड़ा रोस्ट कर लेते हैं,
हाँ.
मिर्ची को भी रोस्ट कर लेते हैं.
And then it's
mash it
just all
together.
mashed together. So simple. This is the
Laurai.
laurai.
Body laurai.
The lau is soft because it's cooked well in the masalas with the body. This is not spicy. It's just very comforting.
Last but not the least.
It's called khiri. Thanks to Himani, I've got to learn and experience a completely new cuisine.
We are simple people with simple food.
Absolutely. Simple people, simple food with big hearts. And I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much for having me here.
version.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
I'm assuming she's invited me back.
Yes, absolutely.
So I will definitely come back sometime soon.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to come back soon with a different feast next time. Till then, you guys keep eating. Enjoy your food.